Welcome back to the Vibrant Health Project. This is why you need to start your day with a healthy breakfast. Breakfast is truly the most important meal of the day. It sets the tone for the rest of your day, providing the essential nutrients and energy needed to tackle your morning tasks. It kickstarts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories throughout the day. A well-balanced breakfast can make a significant difference in how you feel and perform. When you eat breakfast, your body gets the signal that it's time to start working and burning energy. This early boost can enhance your physical and mental performance. Skipping breakfast, on the other hand, can be detrimental to your weight loss goals. It can lead to a slower metabolism and increased hunger later in the day. It slows down your metabolism and makes your body hold on to fat. This can make it harder to lose weight and maintain a healthy lifestyle. You end up feeling sluggish and more likely to overeat later in the day. This can lead to poor food choices and a cycle of unhealthy eating habits. Eating a healthy breakfast helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for weight management. Stable blood sugar levels can prevent mood swings and energy crashes. Stable blood sugar levels prevent those energy crashes that lead to cravings and overeating. This helps you maintain a balanced diet throughout the day. By eating breakfast, you're setting yourself up for success throughout the day. A nutritious start can lead to better decisions and a more productive day. You'll have more energy, better concentration, and be less likely to make unhealthy food choices. So, make sure to start your day with a healthy breakfast and enjoy the benefits it brings. When it comes to weight loss, one breakfast reigns supreme: eggs with bacon, tomatoes, and cucumber. This combination is not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious, making it an ideal choice for those looking to shed some pounds. This power-packed meal is a perfect blend of protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients. It provides everything your body needs to start the day on the right foot. Eggs are a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with protein and healthy fats that keep you feeling full and satisfied. They are also rich in essential vitamins and minerals. They're also incredibly versatile and can be cooked in countless ways. Whether you prefer them scrambled, fried, poached, or in an omelet, eggs can fit into any breakfast routine. Bacon, in moderation, can be part of a healthy diet. It adds a savory flavor that complements the other ingredients perfectly. Choose nitrate-free bacon for the best health benefits. This type of bacon is free from harmful preservatives and additives. It provides flavor and adds to the feeling of satiety, helping you stay full longer and reducing the temptation to snack between meals. Tomatoes are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, which are essential for maintaining good health and boosting your immune system. While cucumbers provide hydration and important electrolytes, they are low in calories and high in water content, making them perfect for weight loss. Together, they make a refreshing and nutritious addition to your breakfast plate. This combination ensures you get a balanced meal that supports your weight loss goals. Preparing this weight loss breakfast is easier than you might think. First, cook the bacon until crispy. Then, fry your eggs to your liking, whether you prefer them scrambled, sunny side up, or over easy. While the bacon and eggs are cooking, slice up your tomatoes and cucumbers. You can add some salt and pepper for extra flavor. Once everything is cooked, simply arrange the bacon, eggs, tomatoes, and cucumbers on your plate. There you have it. A delicious and nutritious breakfast that will set you up for weight loss success. The entire meal takes just minutes to prepare, making it perfect for busy mornings. This breakfast combination is a nutritional powerhouse. Starting your day with a well-balanced meal sets the tone for the rest of your day. It ensures that your body gets the essential nutrients it needs to function optimally. Eggs provide high-quality protein and healthy fats, keeping you full and energized throughout the morning. They are versatile and can be prepared in many ways to suit your taste. Bacon adds flavor and a boost of energy, making your breakfast more enjoyable. While it should be consumed in moderation, it can be part of a balanced diet. Meanwhile, tomatoes and cucumbers provide essential vitamins, minerals, and hydration. These fresh vegetables add a burst of color and nutrients to your plate. This breakfast is low in carbohydrates, which helps control blood sugar levels and prevents those dreaded energy crashes. It's particularly beneficial for those monitoring their glucose levels. It's a perfect way to start your day on the right foot if you're aiming to lose weight. A nutritious breakfast can kickstart your metabolism and keep you feeling satisfied. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to weight loss. Keeping track of your meals and planning ahead can make a significant difference in achieving your goals. Make this breakfast a regular part of your routine and combine it with a balanced diet and regular exercise for optimal results. Consistency in your diet and exercise regimen is crucial for long-term success. Start your day with this delicious and nutritious meal, and you'll be well on your way to achieving your weight loss goals. A healthy breakfast can set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Thank you for watching the video till the end. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.